Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of accounts suspended on the application of threads. We click on settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will click on this application of threads and you will enter. Here we go to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. In this page you will click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode. You can fix that problem. So please don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe. See you next time.